Something very strange happened in court today. When Ntanzi challenged the dates on those photos, Judge Ruther stepped in with an explanation. According to the judge, it wasn't Warrant Officer Ndlovu who changed anything. No, it was the software. Yes, the software is apparently responsible for the changing dates. But Ntanzi was not ready to accept that explanation. Instead, he reminded the court about something the judge may not have expected.
The only thing I am telling the court is that with regards to these photos, you changed the dates.
Ayivelanga lama date uNdlovu emela wathi uNdlovu izithombe noyithole edeletiwe mase kubuya wena mshushisi nawo usubele izithombe ezinani zinama date.
And we must also remember that when Ndlovu was here, there were no dates that when the photos were beamed before this court, because he had said or mentioned that the photos were deleted. But now when you as the prosecutor are coming back, the photos now have dates.
Mina ngamtshela ummeli wami lezithombe lezi asidelethanga efoni nami zikhona wathi uNdlovu zideletiwe.
I informed my legal representative that these photos were not deleted from my phone. They are still there. Ndlovu said, or Ndlovu maintained that they were deleted.
Manje shile inkosi enkantolo uNdlovu uthe zideletiwe nommeli wami wangikhombisa la escreenini zangavele ithombe umshushisi ubuya nezinye uthi zidelete manje zithombe eyi-1 lezi.
Now, what we have before the court, my lord, we have Ndlovu, who said before the court that the photos were deleted. My legal representative beamed the photos and they did not appear. Now the prosecutor is coming with these photos.
Yes, but these are different photos, and these were also part of the photos that were extracted from your memory card.
Lezi ke ithombe ezihlukile futhi ke ithombe lezi ke ezatholakala kuyona imemory card yakho.
No,
my lord, it's not true that these are different photos.
Angeke ngithathe ifoni kaBabraham Simpili ngime so ngishuthe isithombe ngishuthe so bese ngapha sivela ngapha sideletiwe ngapha sivela sideletiwe manje isithombe siyi-1 ingalo yami nganganje angeke kuyenzeke lo.
There is no way, my lord, where I can take Mr. Ramusipile's phone and then take a photo of myself, and then on the one side it appears having been deleted, and then here on the one side the photo is there. Yet this is my arm that is used to take the photo.
The metadata, the time, 2020, 11, 12, 17:38, 32 seconds. The original time, 2020, stroke 11, stroke 12, 17:38, 32 seconds. Digitized time, 2020, stroke 11, stroke 12, 17:38, 32 seconds. And it says equipment model SMJ 500F. Any comment?
Kulenkathi ke ibhalwe lana
The metadata.
isikhathi ke kuyisona 2020 11 12 17:38 32 futhi 2020 11 12 17:38 32 nokuthi ke futhi wuphi umakhala ekhukhwini ke owasetshenziswa yona ke SMJ 500F ngabe khona ufisa ukuthi kulokho.
Mina ngithi phambi kwenkosi enkantolo isithombe yazo sishuthwa ifoni yami engavuma ukuthi lento le isikhathi ne-date.
My lord, before this court, I do agree and accept that the photos or the photo was taken using my phone. What I'm disputing before this court, it's the date as well as the time.
Uphinde futhi kwelela ngalo ukuthi bana bayibiza ngalo J500F angiyazi phone yami nto J500F angiyazi.
And the other thing is, I am not disputing what is written there, or what, also I don't know the exact details, but as it is written here, J500F, I don't know.
Sorry, so what is the quarrel about? Because you're admitting apparently that the photos were actually taken by a device which is similar to yours.
Inkosi enkantolo ifisa ukuzwa ke manje nokwazi ke ukuthi ke la ke okuyila ongavumi kuyini ngoba ke uyavuma ke ukuthi ke izithombe lezi kwasetshenziswa umakhalekhukhwini othi ke umakhalekhukhwini ofanayo ke nowakho noma okuwowakho ikuphi la ongavumi khona.
Nkosi enkantolo ngiyavuma ukuthi ifoni ngeyami.
My lord, I agree that the phone is mine.
Ukuthi ifoni ibizwa nge-G500F yikho ukuthi angazi ukuthi ibizwa ngani.
What is written here, my lord, where it says equipment model SMJ500F, I don't know how they refer to it, how
Yeah,
they
but
call it.
Sorry, but that's automatic. When you use the device, it comes out with the information which is encapsulated in the device itself. It tells you the metadata, it tells you the time. I don't understand what is the problem. Because this is an automatic phone. It takes everything itself. Nobody manipulates it like a phone of the old movies where you roll the film. It's automatic. Unless we disagree on that, fine. We can go ahead.
Ngaphandle kokuthi ke siyaphikisana-ke kulokho lana-ke inkosi enkantolo ithi uma ngabe besebenzisa umakhalekhukhwini imininingwane iyayiphumela yona hhayi ukuthi-ke kunomuntu onento ayenzayo laphayana uma usebenzisa umakhalekhukhwini le mininingwane ebhaliwe lana iyayiphumela yiyona eshoyo ukuthi-ke luphi uhlobo lwefoni olusetshenzisiwe.
Nkosi enkantolo ngazi noma ngingaphinda ngithi ubuyele emuva kancane. Nkosi enkantolo lezi zithombe lezi namhlanje ngibuzwa ngazo phambi kwakho. Zibuye zingenela ngomuntu ozenzile ubaba uNdlovu athi wathi ayinama-date.
My lord, I don't know whether I can just go back a bit. These photos before you, or came here before you, my lord, to someone who created them and said to them they had been deleted and they have no dates. Yebo?
Namhlanje zibuya zine-date.
Today they come with dates,
Zibuya laba nomshushisi hayi uNdlovu.
coming now with the prosecutor and not Ndlovu.
Ngoba ngisho ummeli wami engikhombisa apha esikrini Nkosi enkantolo bezingenawo ama-date.
Because, my lord, when they were shown to me on the screen by my legal representative, they had no dates.
Manje ziqhamuka pheze seyibhala ama-date. Lana futhi ongesiwona ngisho nithi ithombe ngesikhathi mangibuya ekhaya ngibuya kumala ngekhoro seyiqhamuka pheze seyibuya sezinama-date.
Now, these ones, my lord, that are now shown before you, where are they coming from with the dates?
Yeah.
Because I did say before the court that these photos were taken when I was coming back from home or from the villages during the COVID times.
Right. Do you remember Mr. Warrant Officer Ndlovu talking about software?
Ingabe uyakhuluma yini ke uyakhumbula yini warrant officer Ndlovu ke khuluma ke phecelezi ke ulimi labo ke lama cellphone ukuthi ke khuluma nge-software.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, that's how the change comes, according to Ndlovu. It is because of the software used.
Ngenkulumo yakhe ke uNdlovu noma ngalokho akusho uNdlovu yena ke ukuthi ke ushintsho luza lapho ke noma luza ngaleyo ndlela ke makusetshenziswa yona ke isoftware leyo.
Nkosi enkantolo angithi uNdlovu uzivumele phambi kwekhoti ukuthi ithombe yakwazi ukuyishintsha yena ama-date azenze ngale ndlela efunwa nguye.
Isn't it, my lord, that Ndlovu said it before this court that he is able to change the photos himself according to how he wants them? That is
No.
now with regards to the dates.
No, if I recall, Ndlovu says the change takes place because of the utilization of the software. He doesn't do it manually. It's software.
Uma ngikhumbula kahle ke mina uNdlovu akushilo ukuthi ngenxa yayo ke isoftware lena ke iyo eyenza ukuthi ke ushintsho lwenzeka hayi ukuthi yena kuba uyena okwenzayo lokho kodwa iyona isoftware evumela ukuthi kwenzeke lokho.
And he also was candid enough to say he doesn't know how the software works. But if you utilize that software, it recapitulates from the image of the photo, which apparently was deleted.
Wakusho futhi ke yena uNdlovu ukuthi ke yena uqobo akazi ukuthi isoftware le isebenza kanjani kodwa ke uyazi nje ukuthi yona iyakwazi ukuthi ke kulesi sithombe leso ke esadelithwa ke ukuthi ke isoftware sitholakale.
Yebo ngiyazwa kodwa ngizocela phambi kwekhoti ukuthi
Okay, fine.
abezivulele irecord la Ndlovu esikhathi ebuzwa umama umsholo imibuzo.
I hear, my lord, but I will request that the record be played of Colonel Ndlovu when he was testifying, or Warrant Officer Ndlovu when he was being cross-examined by Advocate Mshololo.
You see, this is raw data, as it is depicted in Exhibit 6.
That exchange right there tells you everything about the tension in this courtroom. When Ntanzi questioned the dates on those photos, Judge Rata quickly stepped in to explain that the software could have changed the dates, not Ndlovu. But Ntanzi did something very bold. He didn't argue emotionally. He simply reminded the court of what was already said under oath. Ntanzi told Judge Rata that Warrant Officer Ndlovu came to court earlier with those very photos, and they had no dates on them. Now suddenly, those same photos have dates. Ntanzi dropped the detail that made the courtroom uncomfortable. Under Advocate Mishololo's cross-examination, Ndlovu admitted something very important. He admitted he is capable of editing photos. So Ntanzi stood firm and told the court, "That is what Ndlovu said, play the record, because the court record cannot be spun. Once the record is played, everyone will hear exactly what Ndlovu admitted in this courtroom." And that raises a serious question. If an officer admits he can edit photos, and those same photos later appear with new dates attached, then the real mystery is not the photos. The real mystery is who changed what. So let me ask you, why did those photos first appear without dates, only to return later with dates attached? And should the court rely on software explanations when the officer himself admitted he can edit photos? If you want the real courtroom moments the mainstream media skips, subscribe to the channel, because here we follow every twist, every contradiction, and every explosive moment in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. If this clip opened your eyes, please like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Your voice matters in this conversation. And if you want more real moments from the Senzo Meyiwa trial, join the channel and be part of this growing community. And to everyone watching, thank you for standing with us for truth and justice for Senzo. Until next time, goodbye.